So what I've got open here is the cool Jamboard app, and like Google Docs or any other Google product, I can click on the plus here and I'm going to create a new jam. So on the left side here, I've got the different features that I can use to contribute to this jam. First one here is just your classic handwriting tool. So I could write my name. Then I can select some other options. There's different sort of felts and coloring, but as we go to the bottom here, that's when we start getting into all the awesome AI functions. So this one here, handwriting recognition, if I was to write my name again, this time it will recognize that and put it into text for me. I can also do that with shapes. And a really cool feature is this drawing recognition through auto draw here. So I could try to draw an ice cream very badly, and it's going to choose the different things that it could be below, and I could pick one and that's going to enter onto my jam as well. So really cool use of AI or artificial intelligence to add to my jams. The next feature down here is the eraser tool. So I might decide to take some of that out that I've written before, or I could clear the whole board as well. I can also choose different colors that I could use down here for my drawing or for my writing. And if I wanted to move anything around, I could choose this lasso option here, and I can pick that and move it around my board. If I wanted to delete that, I could then just drag that down to the bottom of my screen. I could then add a sticky note if I wanted to. And if we look at some more features, I can then add anything from my Google Drive, be it docs or sheets or anything that's stored in there. Or if I wanted to search something directly from the web and add it to my board, I could choose that option here. And it allows me to take a snippet of my research. I can resize that and I can move it onto my board as well. And if I just wanted to search for images from the web, I can also search there, and I can just drag pictures in. Once they're in, that's where I can just pinch and resize those pictures and move them around. There's also this option where I can add emojis and objects. And if I wanted to, I can also add pictures straight from my camera. So if I've exhausted all the room on this board here, I can also push across and it's just going to give me another space that's still part of the same jam. It's just a different board. So this time I might search for a cat. And I might drag that one onto this side. So pretty cool features, and there's some awesome things that you could do in terms of adding to the jams. But what's really cool is when you start to collaborate. And here you can see if I wanted to add people, much like Google Docs or any other Google product, I can add people to collaborate on this jam with me as well. When we're finished, we can then save this jam as a PDF, and that'll save all the different boards in as different screens or different pictures as a PDF. So that's a pretty awesome feature once you're finished to have proof of all your collaboration or your project work. You would share that jam as a PDF. So there you go, that's the Jamboard app. Really cool way to collaborate and use these cool tools that utilize artificial intelligence as well.